Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 2 part B of the 047822 February-March 2024 past paper. The question is, a linear search and a bubble sort are standard methods of solution. 50 numbers are already stored in the array values 1 to 50. Write an algorithm in pseudocode to input a number, my number, and use a linear search to test if that number is stored in the array. If the number is found in the array, the position in the array is output. If the number is not found in the array, not found is output. To answer this question, let's have an idea of linear search and bubble sort. Linear search is the most basic way to find a value in a list or an array. Here's the idea. We go through each item in the list one by one and check, is this the item I'm looking for? If yes, we stop and return its position. If no, we keep going until the end of the list. Simple, right? Let me give you an example. Imagine we have this list of numbers, 3, 7, 2, 9, 5, and we want to find the number 9. We start checking from the beginning. Is 3 equal to 9? No. Is 7 equal to 9? No. Is 2 equal to 9? Still no. Is 9 equal to 9? Yes. Found it at position 4. Great. Now let's have an understanding of bubble sort. Bubble sort works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they're in the wrong order. The biggest values slowly move to the right or end, like bubbles rising to the top. Hence the name bubble sort. Let's take an example of array 4, 2, 7, 1. We start by comparing the first two numbers. 4 and 2, 4 is bigger, so we swap them. Next, compare 4 and 7, already in order, no swap. Then compare 7 and 1. 7 is bigger, swap them. That's one full pass. Now we repeat the process. Next pass. 2 and 4, okay, no swap. 4 and 1 swap. Again. 2 and 1 swap. Now the list is sorted. Excellent. Now we are in the position of writing the pseudocode to search a number in the given array using linear search method. Let's start. First, the program takes a number as input. This is the number we want to search for in the list. We initialize a variable called positionFound and set it to 0. This will later store the position where the number is found. Now we begin a loop that runs from index 1 to 50, assuming the list has 50 elements. Then we check if the current value in the list matches the number the user entered. If the values are equal, then we go inside the if statement. We set positionFound to the current index. That means we've found the number at this position. End of the if condition. We move to the next item in the list and repeat the process. After the loop, we check if positionFound is still 0. If it is, that means we didn't find the number in the entire list. So we print not found to the screen. Otherwise, meaning we did find it, we display the index where the number was found. And that's the end of our conditional check. Great. We have completed the pseudocode. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for other questions in this paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.